Welcome guys. In this video I will tell you how can you send message to anyone that is logging into Instagram. That is very simple to do, and you just need 4 to 5 lines to execute this code. So let's start the video. First thing we need to do is to just type pip install instabot, and it will start downloading. I have downloaded most of the things before, and I have done already, so it sent me requirement already satisfied. So let's get started. So what you need to do now, just from instabot import bot, okay, and then I will just declare that bot is equal to bot, because it's easy, and you can type here any name like bot or name, but I will keep it as bot only. And then what you need to do is to just log in into your account, by which it will send the message. And I'm filling up my username. I'm sorry to do username equal to, like that. Save my username is save everything I have made it for testing the videos, and I also upload some natural photographs on it, so please check out it. And then I will just enter my password, and don't worry guys, it's totally safe because I've used it before, and many YouTubers also use it to send messages or to upload photos or to follow anyone. So it's a good module, so don't worry about getting hacked. And then I'll just type my password and I'll make it blur. Then what you need to do, and this is the final part, so bot, because you have signed in, and then what you need to do is to just give it a function like send message or something else. So it's, and this command is for sending messages. And sorry guys, my mother came and I need to talk with him, so let's start again. And then and what is the text? The text is the content of the message that you want to send to the user. So I'll type here, hi, I am busy, let's type it, or I am teaching, let's type it here. And after that I need to specify whom do I want to send message to. So it's my friend Lazy Ease, who's having a gaming channel, so please support him and go check it out. Go check out his channel, and I'll be just giving the link in this code only, so please check it out. He's a great YouTuber. And after that, what I will do is just run this command. But before running this command, just listen properly to me, that you should have a debug button in your coding editor, because it's very important, because you'll find an error in this code, like just debug it. Let me show you the error first. And it's pre-login flow, and it's sending the message. But if you find an error in it, and it will say that a DS user is not allowed. So what you need to do in that condition, just go and comment those 3 lines of code, like one asset, one DS user, and the last one. So just comment 3 lines of code, and it will give you, and it will start this, what do you say, code. So please start it. And after that I want to show you, like and this is the lazy ease account that my friend gave it to me, his account, and he's very good. Like, he also uploads the major updates on games, and he has in the gaming channel, so please support him, like this one, and support him. And after that I will go here, and you can see guys, hi, I'm teaching. See, it's very fast. So what you gonna send? So I can send anything here. So what will I do then? What will I do? I'll upload a photo here, and what I'll type here, just to animals, and I'll be taking up this picture, okay, and we just rename it, rename it forest. Where's the forest? Yeah, this is the picture, and I'll check its property. It's JPG file. So what I'll do now is just copy this path and type here, and don't forget to do change it, because it was a command that changed something, like a will not be recognized as a string, it will be recognized as an what do you say, variable. So don't forget to change it. I'll say forest.jpg, and I'll then give the captions. Yeah, the captions will be say forest save planet save planet Earth. I'll just give it, and after that I'll execute this code. And yeah guys, I was talking about it only, like it is saying DS user, so I'll just debug it. I was thinking about it only guys, and it thanks God to give me this error. I'll show you how can you just add this file. So let's command these 3 lines of code, and after commanding these 3 lines of code, just start it again. And as you can see guys, it's working now. It has logged in with me, and now it will take some time to upload this photo on Instagram, because it's not a lightweight photo, it's 4K photo, and it will take some time. And now you can see it guys, that it has commented, and I can show it here also, that it sent the messages and uploaded my photo, and you can see it said save files, save photos, and other things. So it's very useful, and Python takes much time to do it. So I'll bring a new video that will be much faster than instabot, and it will be coming soon. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and click on that bell icon, because that will help me to make more videos and motivate me. So please do it, and I'll be posting this code in my GitHub, and that link will be in the description below. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. So bye guys.